got problems. Yeah, yeah. I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle, you just want bottle day. Tell me joy, where it's hiding, I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Don't go off. Yeah. Nah, don't you go off, don't you go off now. Right. Look, hey, y'all, I woke up this morning living my best life. And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side. Yeah, moving different than all the rest cause I'm about doing it different. New vision and no regrets. Man, I used to be a victim, repented of all my stress. Now, excuse me, I'm just venting and getting it off my chest, yeah. Believing one day we all ball, but once you get your shot, just don't turn to a ball hog. Putting my team on, if I'm high, we all tall. Just know I got your back. If you down, then we all fall. That's loyalty, baby. That's right, that's right. Can't control it, but that's life, that's life. Yeah, let's spend time more than we spend cash. You only got one life and they do it fast. But oh, I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle, you just wanna buy today. Tell me joy, where it's hiding, I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, I've been trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's my time and I'm gonna shine bright. Yeah, look, I've been trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's time and I'm about to shine bright. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shine bright. Yeah, shine bright. Joy in the light. Yeah, look, ooh, everybody got problems. Everybody got problems. You just wanna solve them. Live it up, I call it. That's right. Oh, I know you got problems. Know you at the bottom. Know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle. You just wanna buy today. Tell me joy, where it's hiding. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now.
So many speak on the bottom and never know the feel, or how it looks at the top, or if it's even real. We ain't selling dreams, but we live in some. No arms license and still we stick to our guns.
I'm gonna live my life. I'm gonna live my life, oh yeah.
We here to live for ourselves first, and if in doing that it helps you, so be it. Let it drive. Let's go. Gonna live in full.
If I keep living my life, I've been chilling out around but you.
Better talk to him.
I'm gonna take my time and find what's right for me. I'm gonna live my life.
We gon' live life.
I'm gonna live my life, oh yeah.
empty glasses or even half full. When the world see that we blessed, more than a handful. That's why you can't put your finger on it, we got the touch. Never perfect, living with purpose, that be us. Open the curtains, we give the real like behind the scenes. We give the heart in our chest and wear it on our sleeves. I don't lend my clothes, so you know it's really me. I cop that, so I rock, that's how it really be. But metaphorical, speaking my piece, that when I do, haters zip they lips like it's rhetorical. My past experience makes me an oracle. Don't believe when it's from me, so I write it down allegorical. Ain't trying to be the clouds, always overheads. Sometimes I gotta be the ground to hold you down and stand. For yourself first, then we go get the fam. Build them up, set them up like it's already planned.